Hi, this is Dr. Owen, and I'm here at Pleasant Hill Chiropractic. I'm the doctor of chiropractic here, and I'm actually going to be showing you a demonstration. I'm going to be adjusting my wife, Haley. I have a lot of patients who have never been adjusted before, and a lot of people who want to know what it's like, so I'm going to go ahead and go through that. We've already done an assessment and seen what's going on with her. She's been having some neck pain and some back pain lately with her kids, and we're just going to walk through the steps of an adjustment, okay? So I'm going to have you lay down on your back for me, Haley. We're going to start by adjusting your mid back, going through a few things. Really simple. I'm going to be crossing your arms. I'm going to lift you up, coming up towards me. Take your chin. Deep breath, relax. We're going to get lay back, on your back. Those okay? Yeah, she typically stores a lot of tension in her neck, so we're going to take a minute, work on her cervical spine, and see if we can get a release here. Very good. Let it relax. Good. Feels good?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Very good. So let me have you go ahead and lay down on your stomach for me. Have you flip over. Work on her low back. Like I said, a lot of times an assessment might take a little bit longer. This is the adjustment. So this is everything afterwards. This table's going to drop down. It just helps me with my adjustment here. Some simple thrusts. And that really is going to help release a lot of the tension she's getting, like I said, in her back as well. Relax it. Very good. All right, I'm going to have you sit up. That was okay?
Yep, that's good.
So like I said, my name is Dr. Andrew Owen. I'm here in Duluth, Georgia. We're at Pleasant Hill Chiropractic, just going over a basic adjustment, really simple, and that's it.